Welcome to www.outdoorsumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you VTIN 20W outdoor Bluetooth speaker. It's one of the cheapest Bluetooth speakers you can purchase in 2019. Whether for a family picnic, you can confidence your VTIN loudspeaker to broadcast exceptional music anywhere and anytime. You can hang it anywhere like a backpack because there is a convenient hook attached to the speaker. It is protected against splashing and shocks, allowing you to easily carry it to the beach or on rainy days. You can connect your iOS, Windows and Android devices to this wireless speaker by holding a range of 33 feet. A supplied aux cable can be used to connect other music sources. The 20W drivers create a powerful sound, clarity and extraordinary clarity, without any cracking or misrepresentation. Thanks for visit this channel.